and then we are now going to see how will Six Sigma and organizational goals go hand in hand. You know what are organizational goals? Do all your organizations have mission and vision statements? Yeah? Have you seen it displayed on the reception area? Don't you have a mission statement and a vision statement for your factories displayed there? So usually what happens is almost all organizations, usually the goal is for 3 to 5 years, okay? So you will have a mission statement, a vision statement, and so on. So that is where your entire organization strategy will be available. You will be able to see what is it that the strategy is of the organization. This is called push-in planning. Most organizations develop at least 4 vision statements that indicate where the company should be in the next 5 years. Where do I want to take my company in the next 5 years? This vision statement is very key for us to identify what our projects should be, because then we will get complete management support. If we are doing a project which is very linked to the organizational goal, Six Sigma will definitely succeed. Most of your projects should be linking somewhere to what the organizational goal is, and then you will definitely move ahead and succeed. Once Six Sigma projects have shown some successes, there will usually be more project ideas. So initially, if you show some quick wins, the moment you show that, yeah, by using Six Sigma, I'm able to move ahead, I'm able to do all this, people will get buy-in. The management will be more and more focused towards helping you with moving ahead on your projects. Usually in many organizations, so this is to help you understand how organizations understand and develop projects and so on. Let be a project selection group. Okay, many organizations will have project selection groups like MBB, black belts, champions. Other stakeholders will be part of this group, and they will have certain criteria on the basis of which they will select their projects. Okay, they will have certain criteria and they will select their project. Otherwise, usually the criteria will also, what they will look at, even if you people are doing a project selection, best place for you to look at is to see whether whatever you're thinking as a project is somewhere to what my organization is looking as a vision, somewhere linking to what my organization is trying to do in the next 5 years. Then I'm likely to get maximum support for this. So that is where we need to link the way we think and the organizational goals. And another important factor is how to look at it from financial terms. So we will learn all what is ROI, ROA, we will learn in defined phase, how to financially quantify. Nobody will, when you're doing a project, guys, it involves a cost. You cannot do a project for free, right? There will be some changes. If you do a project, if you're trying to develop a new model of car, or if you're trying to work on a healthcare project, you're doing a process, you're doing some process re-engineering in that, or if you're working in a BPO scenario, you're trying to change the IVR itself, the interactive voice response system, you want to change that itself to make the customer satisfied. Or if you're working in a shop floor, in a factory, you're trying to change the way, whatever machinery you're using to produce something, you're trying to refine it, you're trying to make it different so that it produces things more accurately or more faster. So if you want to change all this, there is always cost involved in doing a project. There is always cost involved in doing a project. And unless the benefit is very good, management will not be willing to spend so much money on you, on doing your project. So therefore, you must be able to showcase that if you spend $100 today, in another 3 months, you're probably going to get $10,000 or, whatever. I'm just giving you just example like that. But whatever, this is the amount of money we need to spend now, but this is the amount of gains or benefits we will get in the future. So that is one way of convincing.